Twitter Streaming API, urllib3.exceptions.ProtocolError, connection broken, IncompleteRead. Running a Python script using tweepy which streams, using the Twitter Streaming API, in a random sample of English tweets, for a minute and then alternates to searching, using the Twitter Searching API, for a minute and then returns. Issue I've found is that after about 40+ seconds the streaming crashes and gives the following error. Full error. urllib3.exceptions.ProtocolError, connection broken, IncompleteRead 0 bytes read, IncompleteRead 0 bytes read. The amount of bytes read can vary from 0 to well in the 1000s. The first time this is seen, the streaming cuts out prematurely and the search function starts early. After the search function is done, it comes back to the stream once again, and on the second recurrence of this error the code crashes. The code I'm running is I've trimmed out the search function and database handling aspects given they're separate and to avoid cluttering up the code. If anyone has any ideas why this is happening and how I might solve it, please let me know. I'd be curious on any insight. Solutions I have tried. Try/accept block with the http://client.IncompleteRead. As per error while fetching tweets with tweepy. Setting stall_warning equals to true. As per IncompleteRead error when retrieving Twitter data using Python. Removing the English language filter.
Solve. To those curious or who are experiencing a similar issue, after some experimentation I've discovered the backlog of incoming tweets was the issue. Every time the system receives a tweet, my system ran a process of entity identification and storing, which cost a small piece of time, and over the time of gathering several hundred to thousand tweets this backlog grew larger and larger until the API couldn't handle it and threw up that error. Solution. Strip your on_status/on_data/on_success function to the bare essentials and handle any computations, i.e. storing or entity identification, separately after the streaming session has closed. Alternatively, you could make your computations much more efficient and make the gap in time insubstantial. Up to you.
I'm just sharing my experience based on following user Chris Cookman's result. After doing as he advised, the same problem I had with you disappeared. But on my case I was using it with discord.py. So what I did was create a universal list, status_list, and whenever the tweepy on _status fires up, it'll append to that universal list. Then I set up at tasks.loop seconds equals 10, using discord.py to monitor if status_list is not empty every few seconds, then if it detects that it has a content, it'll loop through it and then starts the process on each list.
Please consider subscribing.